Good morning, students. In this video we are going to study the next topic of quadrilaterals, that is types of quadrilateral. In the previous video we have already studied about angle sum property of a quadrilateral and what is quadrilateral. Now this time this is about types of quadrilateral. So look at the figures. These are some figures. I have made some figures. So here look at these 6 figures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first one is a trapezium. Why it is a trapezium? It is a quadrilateral because it has 4-sided closed figure. This is a trapezium. Why it is trapezium? Because only one pair of opposite sides is parallel and another pair is not parallel. So a quadrilateral whose only one opposite pair is parallel is called a trapezium. So figure number 1 is trapezium. Now look at the second one. This is PQRS. PQRS quadrilateral. So this type of quadrilateral is the opposite sides are parallel. Here the opposite sides are parallel. PQ parallel RS and RQR parallel PS. So this is a parallelogram. So this is a parallelogram. Now third is also the sides, opposite sides are parallel. So this will be also a parallelogram. Again the fourth, opposite sides are parallel. So this will be also a parallelogram. Fifth figure, you'll check fifth figure. Again the opposite sides, pair of opposite sides are parallel. So this is again a parallelogram. But last, sixth, this type, the opposite sides are not parallel. So this is not a parallelogram. So children, what you get here, that only second part, third part, fourth part and fifth part, these are all parallelograms. But let us talk about the third figure. This third figure, you see there is a right angle also. One of the angles is 90 degree. So this is a special type of parallelogram. This is called rectangle. So a parallelogram whose one angle is right angle 90 degree, that is called a rectangle. So next fourth figure, you see this is also a parallelogram, but what type of it's a special type of parallelogram. All sides are equal. So all sides are equal. So this parallelogram is a rhombus. So this is a rhombus. So we write it as this is a rhombus. Why? Only all sides are equal. So here it's a rectangle because a parallelogram having one angle 90 degree, that means all angles will be 90 degree. So this is a rectangle. So next, let us move to next fifth. This is all sides are equal and one of the angles is 90 degree. So this is a square. So this what type of parallelogram is? It's a square. That means all sides equal and one of the angles is 90. Here only one of the angles is 90, but all sides are not equal. So this is rectangle. Only all sides are equal. So this is rhombus. So last figure 6 is this is a kite. So children, these are the types of quadrilateral, but all except first one, that is trapezium, rest are all parallelograms, and kite also not. Second, third, fourth and fifth, these are all parallelograms but special type of parallelograms. One angle 90, rectangle, all sides equal, rhombus, all sides equal and one of the angles or each angle 90 degree, that is square. Now you have your note some here. Please remember, a square, rectangle and rhombus are all parallelograms. First, a square is a rectangle and also a rhombus. A square is a rectangle, also a rhombus. It's a rectangle because one angle is 90. It's a rhombus because all sides are equal. In rhombus, all sides equal. Here square has all sides equal. That's why it is rhombus. A square is a rectangle, an angle is 90. Here also a rectangle has angle 90. A parallelogram is a trapezium. A parallelogram is also a trapezium because one of the pair is parallel. But a trapezium is not a parallelogram. Trapezium is not a parallelogram because a parallelogram must have both the pair of opposite sides parallel. And the one more, a kite is not a parallelogram. A kite is not a parallelogram. A rectangle or a rhombus is not a square. A rectangle and rhombus is not a square. But a square is a rectangle and a rhombus. Please remember this thing. A square can be a rectangle and a rhombus, but a rectangle and rhombus cannot be a square. And the last, a trapezium is not a parallelogram. As I have already told you that a trapezium is not a parallelogram, but a parallelogram is a trapezium. So this is, remember all these things. This will help you in further chapter.